This RE/MAX Equity Group property video is presented by Sarah Murray and less than bedroom greater than Lorna Murray. Extraordinary bones on this one. Restore this gorgeous home to its glory days. 2,457 square feet feels much larger with high ceilings, large open grand rooms. This would be perfect for rehab loan. Incredible built-ins, moldings, craftsmanship just waiting for your touches. Home has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. Office? Lots of storage. Also, 1 car garage, LG storage/shop building. Huge corner lot. Lower level has unfinished basement area, previously used for underground access to exterior building that stored coal. So much history here. Lovely area of Milton Freewater. For more information, review the details below.